Goed man.
Niks mnganami.
Vrijdag.
Tako.
Zo. Manume.
Vula phela uthi angene ngapha. Oh, shaba.
Shalom manume. Ay.
Hey wena man.
Yizo.
Umnandi.
Nanda na. Sho manje.
Kwenzakalani yena?
Oh, Pizarro. Ula. I love flop.
Ay, hayi mina ngazi ngenze kanje. Uthanda ikikiliki mayidali eTexini kanti khambani. Ufuna ngikhulume nawe kanjani? Angithi ufuna ukuya patini kambani. Uking Tarumile ngeimbali. Ushaya inamba ufuna le mali. Wena ukishimise lezinto ezimnandi. Hayi angazi ngenze kanjani. Uthanda ikikiliki mayidali eTexini kanti khambani. Ufuna ngikhulume nawe kanjani? Angithi ufuna ukuya patini kambani. Uking Tarumile ngeimbali. Ushaya inamba ufuna le mali. Wena ukishimise lezinto ezimnandi. Hayi man. Hayi. Azongihlanyisa wena.
What inspires you to get into this piece?
It's life outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So your lyrics are based on what you see every day?
Yeah. I think everyone's lyrics. Like music is life, my friend. It's a story. So you can't tell a story without something that's happening. So
Before you go back, what's the recent craziest thing you've seen and you wrote about?
umjono.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Kwethini ngibona. Ngibhekile kuyafunanwa kuyajolanwa. Amantombazana, like I've never written futhi angibhala njengale but ngibhale la kuphela yabo. This is where like I want to cash up la seyifuna isikolo ke manje seyifuna umaphuma straight up. But la obvious like ingoma ngisile yeah I'm like into masoyijwayele yabo.
Yeah.
So ijwayele so uyakwazi nokuthi uthi yabo.
Tell us about Puma Tuesdays.
You see? Now you're talking. Oh man, my man, it's a whole movement. It's a whole movement. Yesterday was a bang, was a boom. So yeah, like it's a whole movement. We're bringing the piano together again. At the end of the day, it's all about the music, my man. And we are Asmos now, which as Africans we are happy and everything. So kafanele ukuthi sibambane ntwana. I understand, yeah. Togetherness yafuneka in such a way ukuthi it's not about an individual. You understand? It's about the whole movement so that nakusasa it's about like what is your share nakusasa la. Because because akusithi kuphela as much as big namanye ama-artists kudala namanje nathi ama-artists but then thina masivaya and then so lishiya ipiano kwenza
Legacy basically.
Exactly. So it's not about us. Nabo mele mabangena.
Bazorecycla nini?
You understand?
Yeah.
Recycling matsaler.
Thank
So
you.
it's about that, it's all about the love.
Aishi nami.
Ay. Awuzuza. Hey. Kodwa. Zoza wena kodwa. Yo. Uzolizwa ibhekhingi. Yo. Ngiyakuna headset. Mara ke mina ngoba ngusikotho lathala malatha. Originally fantastic matsala phela ngitshele something ngishakula.
Itsho kuchaka
Indoda uzoliva atana selibhali leli dosa ngeke. Ile quiet leli angeke. Sizobona senza kanjani. Thala
Mara kuyagona uba extrovert like kile automatic.
Yeah.
DSG.
Yeah. I guess maybe that's how that you can be an introvert that's able to make music and be in front of crowds everywhere.
That's why kile kunali jive kali nepe. Or the video because manje sekubatla space saka kunali into yawuri. Okay, sharp now I must give people
Yeah.
maybe 1 hour of my time or 45 minutes of my time.
Yeah.
Yeah, because phela salibala bathu abangiforce na ukire music. Number 1.
Okay.
And the music ikiwirela bathu. Music phela music utshwana le shop. Utshwana le wa stoka, ditamati tsa hao le di fruits wa beya da. Then uyemela di consumer ba tlo buy. So music o byawo. Awuna motho o forced le motho ra bule supermarket. or a ire shop or batho ba tlo reka. So le nna zange ke force them, le batho zange ba force to re ke ire music. So le nna like yeah, if a kenyaki utsa snap a kenyaki kana kana kwiwa if a kenyaki I don't feel like it. I don't
And
feel
you know
like
they don't understand. They don't understand that.
Ke a
If we
bona.
tell, come on.
Unfortunately.
Okay, let's play devil's advocate. What if they say, Scott, we made you successful. We made you who you are. You owe it to us. Kipaila, I always stream your music. You owe it to us to actually have a picture.
No, I don't think I owe it to them. I don't owe it to I don't think any celebrity owes anyone.
But when they feel entitled.
That's the problem. It's their problem. Like if it's not my problem, it's not my problem. Mo ke qualifating Grootman yaka. If nak vaga mdimo. Ha ona motho o nkirileng gore ke fitlhe mo ke leng teng vandag. And ha ona motho o tong ntsha mo ke leng teng, ke le mo vandag. So it's now for me it's like that because people feel why rona re sa feel entitled. So if I get nakele celebrity. Ra tshwantse ke tswe mo ko strateng ke fitlhe ke shape ngwanyana batho di bonu tsa gae ko morago. Or ke mo spank or ke mo musune whenever I want to. This is like ne ke rela sister mong example ke re this is like exactly what you guys were complaining about. Gore alsa khona o shapa di qepe tsa lena. Go di ranking what because la itse gore bontate ba di what's yeah, but only harasa or whatever. So just because kabina, so I'm not allowed to go mall ke lo reka skipa sa ka sa Nike a kenyaka because when ke tshaba wena o batla snap a ka tlela motho mo go lefatseng. Yeah, so le batla batlela nna ke ra music. If you want to listen to my music, you listen to my music. If you don't want to, you don't want to. Because at the end of the day, it's their ears, it's their data, it's their everything. Like it's like that for me. So and about when I understand, rona ra khona understand this person likes me. He or she actually likes my music. Man, let me just give her one picture. And at the end of the day, I understand. It's just a picture. It's not a big deal. It's just a picture. I carry on with my life. The problem is that you get into a more motsunyaka snap. When utswile da kontlong ya hao wa re lo reka skipa sa Nike le teki wa understand o tswe tha commode we lo reka skipa sa Nike le teki a wa ya da o lo tseya dinepe wa understand that's what it was not part of my plan ha ke tswa mo ntlong I want to share 5 pictures with 5 people and then out ne ke lo reka skipa le teki so ak fitla da ke kopana le wena o nyaka snap tshwantse ke tse dinepe le everyone now. So in other words, now my plans or dilo tse ene nyaka o dira. Angeke di sa irala because wena nyaka snap. Sometimes what if like for instance cheka no matala wa ka o fetsa tlhokofala. No. May his soul rest in peace matala.
Rest in peace.
O fetsa tlhokofala no. Azange khone lo reka shirt le tie. Cause ka itse ke tlo kopana le bosimang mang o tlo bata snap. U tlo understand akirecho emanyane bana.
I'm not in a great space.
So why should we understand how people like us? Why people want to understand rona re batho re na le bophelo? As much as I have to understand, because Linak ba understand but mara we are your fans, mara must we support you. I must understand that these people support me. I must waste my time. Meeting. Sharp, it's fine. That's why it's not a big deal. It's just a picture. But what if nanako? Why won't I understand or late? You get into a gig, you're already late. When you get there, you're already set up for 25 minutes and out. I don't have time for a picture. Because if I take one picture with you, I have to take a picture with that guy, with that lady, with that what. Then my time, and then Kausadi, who's not professional. Scott to fit late, go the kicking. Late is taking man, go I don't know your video. So people, I don't care.
It's such a complex situation, man. It's a tough situation. It's very complex. You know, like, I understand 100% everything that you are saying. You know, but now I've always been like I don't know, like something embedded in my head. Now I need to take a picture with every single person, and I do that wherever we go. There's something that I do, but I get your point 100%. And so, like everyone has a different perspective on things, and it makes sense.
Yeah, and then not per se what I don't take.
Yeah, no,
picture,
I hear
do.
you. Yeah, I hear you.
No, Konji, I have the time. You know, I'm not late.
Yeah.
I'm just chilled
Yeah.
here with my friends. We
Yeah.
came from home. We decided to go to Chila. In other words, I have the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can take one picture per, fine. Another one per, fine, because I have the time.
Yeah.
But when I have to leave now, I have to leave now. You want a picture and I have to leave. What must I choose?
Yeah.
I am leaving.
Okay.